Premium balance ball. A high-quality non-rolling balance chair for adults designed with 5 built-in legs. The legs provide stability and keep the ball in place when not in use. It's 65 centimeters in size, making it ideal for people 56 to 511 in height. Promotes healthy posture. The ergonomic design of the stability ball chair is ideal for practicing healthy posture. Its size puts the user at eye level of most desks, making them sit up straight. The design also engages the core and helps promote a better posture. Improves focus, increases energy. The balance ball chair for adults is great for increasing productivity. The ball's movements promote blood flow to the brain, helping improve concentration and increasing overall focus. Versatile use. The exercise ball chair for office and home is multi-use. It comes with an exercise guide that illustrates multiple stretching and strengthening exercises that can be easily replicated at the office or home. Inflation instructions. It may be necessary to re-inflate the desk ball chair after initial inflation to allow the ball's material to stretch to its full size. Inflate it with air, leave it for 24 hours, deflate 50%, and then fill again to its maximum capacity, 65 centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. Endless possibilities. We purchased this in December of 2016 and after 6 months it's still as new. Now that may not sound very impressive, but that's with pretty much daily use as balance ball, bouncy seat, soccer ball, dodgeball, medieval shield, mace, grenade, get the crackers out of the pantry stool, smaller balls mommy, what? Pretend cow, alien planet mushroom, and various sorts of fantastical beast that are friend and foe, as well as homeschool energy getter outer for 3 children and cousins, friends and occasional displeased cat all under the age of 7. Great tool and toy, highly recommended.